In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to link pages in Webflow, a crucial skill for those who aim to create engaging, interconnected digital spaces for audiences to explore. Our first important task is to pinpoint the element that you want your site users to be able to click on to navigate around your site more effectively. This clickable element could manifest in a myriad of forms. It might be a vibrant text element, boldly entreating your audience to explore a linked site or page. It could be a button, tactfully placed to drive user interactions. It might even be an image, perhaps a teaser for the contents of the connected page. Or you might opt for a link block, a simple but highly effective way to guide your users around the site. Ultimately, the choice is yours, and this element is key for the rest of the process. Once you've chosen and clicked on this all-important element, you will need to direct your attention towards finding the settings. Webflow designs its interface with user-friendly navigation in mind. As such, you can conveniently locate the link settings in the Element Settings panel, situated in the right-hand sidebar of your screen. This panel is your toolbox, packed with customizable options that empower you to craft your website to your exact specifications. Within the vicinity of these link settings, there's a drop-down menu begging for your selection. It is here that you will make an important choice, selecting the page option from the drop-down menu. By doing this, you are setting the pathway from your initial clickable element towards the destination page. Following your selection, you'll witness a list of your project's pages appear as options for this linking process. This list contains all the possibilities for your clickable element's destination. As the creator, you hold the power. Browse through your project's pages and select the one that you'd love your users to visit after interacting with the clickable element. Remember, your decision dictates the user's journey on your website. Now, after configuring and reconfiguring your chosen link, the magic moment has finally arrived. It's time to publish your site for the world to see. We wholeheartedly believe that your carefully linked pages will enrich your website's navigation, allowing users to effortlessly explore the depth of content you've thoughtfully prepared for them. In summary, linking pages in Webflow boils down to selecting and configuring a clickable element, setting a path to the destination page, and finally, clicking Publish. Go forth and create a user-friendly, interlinked digital space that speaks volumes about your creativity and attention to detail.